Hi everyone, so speaking to Page 3 here at News 9 with me, Sakshi Singh Litoria, is Team Kapkapi. We have very beautiful Siddhi, we have Tushar Kapoor, an old friend of course, and Sonia. How are you guys doing? How is Delhi treating you?
Great.
दिल्ली की सर्दी तो नहीं कह सकते
गर्मी काफी है.
गर्मी काफी है बट ठीक है I
Very
like
happy
the
to
it's
be
not
here, though.
unbearable
गर्मी से कपकपी हो रही है?
थोड़ी सी तो मेरे को
A little bit.
हाँ जी
I'd rather be in the heat मुझे गाड़ी में बैठने से कपकपी होती है मुझे गाड़ी में बैठना पसंद नहीं है आज हम बहुत गाड़ी में बैठे हैं
आज पूरा दिन गाड़ी में बैठे यहाँ
Yeah.
से वहाँ से वहाँ yeah.
So Tushar, let me begin with you. We have seen you doing horror flicks. We have seen you doing comedy films as well. We have seen you doing horror comedy as well in the past. How is this one going to be different from rest of the projects that you have done?
आई थिंक मेरे लिए देख कैरेक्टर जो मैं प्ले कर रहा हूँ वो सबसे डिफरेंट है क्योंकि जब मैंने गोलमाल किया या दूसरी हॉरर कॉमेडीज की तो आई वाज प्लेइंग द क्विंटेसेंशियल यू नो द बॉय नेक्स्ट डोर हु इज गेटिंग इनटू हिज ओन मिसएडवेंचर्स और मतलब कॉमेडी में एरर्स हो जाता है और हॉरर भी होता है साथ में तो यहाँ मेरा कैरेक्टर बहुत अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है तो वह आता है किसी और मकसद से और उसका हॉरर कॉमेडी से कोई लेना देना है नहीं इस फिल्म की जो हॉरर कॉमेडी उससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं लेकिन न चाहते हुए भी वो मतलब दूसरों को डराता है और हंसाता है so he's probably the source of the horror comedy which I have not been in any film the source of the horror comedy
That's really interesting.
now you run your imagination
I'll wait to head to the theatres also to watch the same. But Siddhi, you are a very prominent figure in the South Indian entertainment industry. You have had your time in Bollywood as well. What is the difference that you have noticed between both the industries?
Just the timing.
Okay.
Just the timing and I'm just saying it not to be biased towards South or North or anything but South में खाली the timing is such that if you start at 6 a.m. 6 p.m. is pack up. Irrespective of आपका शूट खत्म हुआ है कोई भी शॉट बाकी है लाइट नहीं है वो सब कॉन्सेप्ट
Doesn't really
but गुस्से भी हो जाते हैं ना अगर आप थोड़ा लेट हो जाए या जो
Oh yeah. 6 a.m. means 6 a.m. Like the director is there, the shot is ready. आपको आपका मेकअप और उसका टाइम अलग से अपने आप से कैलकुलेट करके सेट पे होना पड़ेगा. So that's the only thing. Other than that, love for cinema is like हर जगह पे
Everywhere the
same.
same.
Yes.
Sonia, you have spent a lot of time in the US, right? Your accent is such as well, I noticed. Did you not ever try for Hollywood before you entered Bollywood?
Actually बचपन से ही मेरे को इसका शौक था मैं क्या करूँ I mean of course it's a dream and I will do that and I plan on doing it very near in the future hopefully knock on wood but yeah you know when I was a kid my dad is such a film buff and हम सिर्फ Bollywood ही देखते थे कटी पतंग होगी ये सब they were on repeat so I think part of me just really vibed with Bollywood a lot more I love dancing too so I don't know dil se ye this connected more so I wanted to be in the Indian film industry and I'm really happy being here.
I really want to talk about the kind of audience that you guys are trying to knock into with Kapkapi because we have seen a lot of divided fan bases, also the audience groups. If we have to speak about the language film, and if I have to particularly talk about a Hindi entertainment movie with Kapkapi, what's the idea? What kind of audience are you trying to touch?
it's pretty universal but I think at the outset बहुत obvious target audience है जो college going youth
Okay.
of all types, you know, not just the big cities, even the mid towns, the smaller towns. So it's a pan-Indian youth-centric film because horror तो हमारे खून में है. अब डराते तो नहीं है हम, लेकिन हम horror देखना हमारे खून में है और comedy देखना हमारे खून में. तो that's the audience. I think it's by and large youth-centric. लेकिन I think कोई भी देख सकता है. I think कोई भी enjoy कर सकता है. And
You're saying it's a family entertainment?
I don't think family साथ में जाएगी ऐसी फिल्म देखने के लिए जाएगी तो मजा करेगी
Yeah,
but
it's
I
still
would say that every member of the family would want to watch this film.
And you and Shreyas have done multiple projects together. What about this one? Like, has the bonhomie over the years changed somewhere? Things changed between you guys? You've gotten tighter with time?
We're good friends but more on a professional level. I think क्योंकि हमारे schedules इतने busy होते तो हम off camera we don't meet so much.
That much.
But अभी इतनी फिल्में साथ कर ली तो एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग पैदा हो गई है और कभी-कभी तो एक दूसरे को हम लोग सेट पे तो हाय भी नहीं बोलते, तो मुझे बोला पड़ा, अरे श्रेयस हाय, we take each other for granted because the sixth film together.
That is.
And I think besides him, I've worked maximum with Ajay. I think I've done 4 Golmals, I've done Khaki, and no, I've done maximum films with Ajay. So after Ajay, Shreyas. So
Shreyas
yeah,
will be there.
There's 4 Golmals, wow.
Yeah. Siddhi, what's your opinion on pan-Indian films? Because that's the new trend that we are looking at. We are looking at a lot of Hindi entertainment industry celebrities also tying up with the South entertainment industry biggies. What do you think is the new way forward?
I think it's a great times, like we have great times ahead, only for the simple reason that there is all types of cinema being made. Like there might be a film which is, curated only for a certain area. Like for example, Kantara was made for a regional audience, right? वहाँ का जो कर्नाटका का एक belt है that believes in this certain kind of practices, it was made for that belt. But after seeing the kind of response we got pan-India, it was just like now everybody's hungry for different types of stuff happening. So I guess it's just exciting. Like even with Malayalam cinema, they're dishing out really good films, and there's this beautiful film called The Great Indian Kitchen, जिसका adaptation various languages में हुआ. It was made in Marathi, it was made in Hindi very recently, it was made in different languages. So it's just that if there is a concept which is made in a certain language, it has gone to that section only, then there is a demand for it to be made in different languages.
Okay.
Very similar to what our film also caters. And then there are bigger, big budget films like Pushpa and KGF that are catered for the whole of India. So I feel it's a great time. हर टाइप का सिनेमा बनता है और हर टाइप का सिनेमा देखने के लिए भी ऑडियंस है.
Bilkul, but very recently at one of the press conferences, Salman Khan had highlighted that the South Indian celebrities are being very well accepted in the North Belt. But the Bollywood celebrities, when they do any venture or their individual projects, it's not that successful in the Southern Belt. Why do you think so?
No, I feel there's so much of transition happening. Like Junior NTR, who is one of the biggest superstars.
Yeah, so she means the other way, like an Indian.
I mean,
hero.
Salman,
the
like, why
Bollywood
isn't it?
people are not
But
being
that's changing. I
accepted.
think
as-
Jawan did very well.
Yeah.
So that's changing.
No, what I meant is also Junior NTR, who is the biggest superstar in Telugu, and usually those stars do not prefer doing in Hindi language, is going to be seen very soon with Hrithik Roshan.
Yeah, the war too has.
So
the
there's,
teaser has dropped.
it's like, जो जुगल बनती है वो हर जगह से हो रही है. यहाँ से लोग वहाँ जा रहे हैं. Deepika has done films there. Alia has done films there.
Yeah.
I'm sure there will be a time, but
But
even the
I guess what she means is there has to be that one Hindi film that will break through into the
Yes.
South.
I think
It
Like
will-
the
it
Kantara,
happened
we
with-
have Kantara, Bahubali, multiple southern films that have performed really well in the northern belt, but we barely have any Hindi entertainment, mass entertainer,
See,
something that has broken.
Jawan broke that myth.
Yeah.
It did very well in the other
Yeah,
languages.
that's
But I
yeah.
think
And I think even Animal did that. Animal
Yeah.
also I think
I-
did
I-
well in
but they
South
like
languages.
rough, ruggedy, like from what I see and what I have seen from the South Indian film industry, the big ones like KGF and all that, they like that.
The mass, the action,
the
packed
action.
thriller and
Also,
gory
there's a
films.
relatability.
But Animal again, the director is from
Yeah,
the
but
southern
But that's
belt.
fine. They are also taking South actors and Hindi actors and actresses to
Yeah.
package the film.
Yeah.
Shraddha was in Shraddha was in
Salar.
not
Yeah.
Salar. She was in
Shiva,
Saho.
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 Yeah.
That's also there. And our films, our Hindi films, generally, I mean, not comparing it to any other language, but our Hindi films generally are appealing to so many different states.
yeah.
So do we really need to prove anything?
No,
At this
yeah.
point, we are in one language only appealing, trying to at least be appealing to so many different territories. So we are doing a pan-Indian job in any case. Yeah.
No,
But
we are
I know
at
what you
least
mean.
trying
That
to,
one
yeah.
something that like breaks through language barriers and goes to the audience of another language.
But I
also.
believe like the Bollywood or the Hindi entertainment industry also needs to focus more on the regional area, more of the rural stuff that South Indian entertainment industry does. That is why they cater more to the rural areas and also the southern
You
belt
may make
of it.
more
Maybe,
massy films.
maybe yes.
I also feel like they
I
need
think we do. I think we are like.
I mean we make more of the elite and
Gadar,
city and all that.
No, there is that trend had begun in the 2000s,
Huh.
and we became very multiplexish, and we went into that whole zone of impressing Bandra and Juhu, but not really anymore.
Yeah.
And 60s, 70s, 80s में जो फिल्में बनती थी, अभी वापस वो ट्रेंड शुरू हो गया.
Yeah.
दबंग के टाइम से, गजनी के टाइम से वो शुरू हो गया ट्रेंड. So we are going back to we have gone back to our roots,
Roots, yeah.
and I'm a film analyst now. I love studying box office figures, etc., etc. So that phenomena is over now. Hindi movies are like how Hindi movies should be. Yeah.
Sonia, OTT versus
And
big
at the same
screen.
time, we are, as you said, we are appealing to the elite sensibilities by diversifying and doing stuff that is more out of the box.
Yeah.
You know, making art house cinema that's working, like even middle of the road cinema, like English for English, and you know, the like OTT
Yeah.
stuff. You know, we are doing stuff that is new wave, contemporary, and festival circuit oriented also.
Yeah. And
Shore in the City, you know, these
Yeah,
kind of
yeah.
movies.
films like
But we are also covering up the
Elite
the
and
the,
the more urban area.
the pan-Indian audience, yeah.
And you're saying that, you know, nahi banta, but Lapata Ladies was a great example.
Yeah,
of, you know,
Superboys of
transition.
Malegaon for that
Superboys
matter
of
is a
Malegaon.
good
Even
example,
film like
yeah.
Gully Boy, having
Yeah.
like really like stereotypical
Touching upon the roots. Yeah.
mega movie stars play a role like what Ranveer Singh and Alia Bhatt did, and that does transpire to the south. It's
Okay.
just that itna hangama nahi hota hai, but I know people that have come and told me that, oh my god, you know, this film was so good and that film was so good. Yeah, moving on.
No, but I think you're right. I think it is just, if it's a good film, it will be pan. It's like, it needs to be good. Lapata Ladies is great.
Yeah,
Nobody
Oscar
can deny that.
almost
You know what I
watched
mean? So if it's good, it's gonna work.
Because he has touched upon OTT and the new wave in the entertainment industry, I really want to ask you what would be your preference, because we are looking at new things, we are looking at a generation which runs very short with their patience, are more interested in long formats, so they prefer the episodic things in the entertainment industry. Would you now, in today's generation, looking at people and their interests, would prefer OTT or big screens? Because I know
As a
for an
viewer?
actor, big screen is the dream, first dream.
Are you asking me as an audience member or
As
as
an actor,
actress?
as an actress.
See, it's a double-edged sword.
Okay.
Because of OTT, कम फिल्में बन रही हैं जो big screen में जा रही है. Like, people are less likely to take a risk now for a theatrical release versus on OTT. You have a diverse amount of scripts. You have different stories being told on so many platforms we have. So as an actress, I feel like I have a lot more scope in the OTT space in terms of the auditions I get and the conversations I have. In theatrical release, I feel like because of the way the tide is turning at the moment, people are a lot more scared to take newcomers, and I'm so grateful, knock on all the wood, that, you know, we've gotten Kap Kapi and Sangeet sir believed in me, but at this time it's a little hard. People aren't taking newcomers as much. They want known actors. I would love that. I would love a big theatrical release, but I also think that OTT has a larger viewership audience, and you have very cool new stories, new writers coming up, you know? So I think there's a lot more opportunity there.
And your character is looking very interesting in the trailer. Could you enlighten us with what exactly could it be?
मेरे किरदार का नाम मधु है, and she lives with Kavya. We live upstairs, and the boys live downstairs.
Okay.
Madhu runs a wig business
Okay.
for these films and TV shows, and so she does costumes and wigs. And वो ज़्यादा नहीं चल रहा, but दिखने में बहुत सीधी सादी है. वो लड़कों के साथ घुल मिल नहीं she doesn't
ज़्यादा
chill
gel
with
up
them
with
as
each
much
other.
as Kavya does, but she is in love with one of them.
Okay.
I can't tell you who, but she's in love with one of them, but doesn't want that person to know.
Okay.
So she stays on her own and she stays in her house, but she's constantly on the phone with him, and he doesn't know that he's living below her.
Oh,
So
that's really
there's a
interesting.
double layer there, and then also she has a bit of not dual personality, but she कुछ हो जाता है उसे, and on 23rd May, maybe when you watch the film,
I'll get
you'll
to know.
understand what happens. But it was very fun to play, and I got to do so many new things.
And last but not the least, Tushar, because I am sensing that are you the ghost? Let's not give away the spoiler, but I'm just sensing, I don't know, are you the
You're very
ghost?
sensible. I must say. But no, wait to watch the movie, and I'd like you to believe that for now, because you know, you might be in for a
क्या पता
huge
मेरी कब कभी
surprise.
छूट
Yeah,
जाए.
you know, you
Yeah,
never know.
कब कभी
वो
छूट
तो
जाए.
छूटेगी.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for speaking to News 9.
Thank
It was a
you.
very nice, light, and also very eye-opening chat. I love the questions and the way you answered it also. So we'll head towards the theatres on 23rd. Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes,
Team
please.
Kapkapi,
Yes. Thank you so much for having
thank
us.
you. Thank you so much.